In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix your Fire TV stick if it's not working. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, go ahead and grab your remote and press and hold down on the select button and the play and pause button at the exact same time, and keep holding this down until your screen says Fire Stick is powering off. It's going to go ahead and reboot automatically, and this alone fixes a lot of common problems. However, if that doesn't work, the next step is to fully unplug the device. So disconnect that Fire TV stick from both the HDMI port and the power cable and wait for about 30 seconds to a minute so it completely powers down, and then plug everything back in and test again. If you're seeing something like a black screen, make sure your connections are secure. So try plugging that Fire TV stick directly into the TV instead of using an HDMI extender. And if you're powering through a USB port on the TV, try using a wall adapter instead for a more stable performance. If you're still having any issues though, you can try a factory reset as a last resort. So go to the home screen and go all the way over to the settings, just like so. Scroll down a little bit and hit My Fire TV. Once you're in My Fire TV, scroll all the way down to the very bottom and select Reset to Factory Defaults. Just keep in mind this will remove all of your apps, your sign-in info, and your personal settings, so you will need to set everything up again afterwards. But hopefully one of these fixes does solve the problem for you. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.